Tani, why do I need to #cleanse my crystals, and why do I even need to do it? To better understand why it's so important to cleanse crystals, let's first have a look at how crystals work. Crystals have the ability to absorb and release energy. So, when we work with crystals, we want to benefit from their positive energies and the amazing healing benefits that each specific crystal provides. For example, if we work with pyrite, we hope to receive willpower and self-confidence. However, if our crystal is filled with undesirable energy, we may not achieve the intended effect and could unintentionally absorb those negative, unwanted, and undesirable energies. That is why it's very important to cleanse our crystals. That explains why I had a headache yesterday. I must have been using my crystals incorrectly. That could well be the case. In fact, if you feel unwell after using your crystal or feel that it's simply not working as well as it used to, we strongly advise you to cleanse your crystal as soon as possible. Okay, so how do I cleanse my crystals? Well, there are various methods that you can use to cleanse your crystals. Let's explore them together in the next video.